Here we come to the elevator at Dillard's at Memorial City Mall in Houston, Texas. This is in the parking garage. The last elevator in the whole entire Memorial City Mall. Unfortunately, Forever 21 with the Schindler 338 is closed, and it's now Uniqlo, which is not open yet, and Sears is closed as well. But anyways, let's ride. Here we go. The button light is so bright. I hear it coming. I'm surprised that there's hardly been any broken elevators. I'm pretty sure you all know how lovely the mall maintenance is. I've seen a lot of malls with so many broken elevators. Oh, I didn't press the button hard enough. There we go. I have to mash it down. It just re-leveled. Full silent trip, for real. Back down to one end there. See, it came down and then it re-leveled like this. Here's your phone. These are the rest of your fixtures. And with that being said, that concludes the tour, the updated tour at Memorial City Mall. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.